Hi everyone, I'm Gene, and welcome back to another episode of Learn with Gene. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a professional, brand-consistent template in Descript, and then I'll show you how to turn those long lessons into bite-sized social clips using Vizard. Huge shout out to the person who requested this topic. I absolutely love when you guys send in your questions, so please keep them coming. Templates in Descript are an incredible starting point because they offer quick, reliable layouts for social media posts, course slides, and even audiograms. However, the built-in presets don't always match your unique brand colors, your specific fonts, or those little design quirks that make your content truly yours. In this guide, I will show you how to craft a template that feels like a reflection of your brand, including your logo, custom palette, and style rules. Before we dive into the software, make sure you have your brand assets ready to go, like your logo files, hex codes, and font style guides. Having these pieces ready transforms your templates from simple placeholders into consistent, professional assets that elevate every video you produce. Log into your Descript account, and I personally recommend using the web app as it feels much snappier and responsive for these kinds of demos. Navigate to the left sidebar, find the Templates section, and go ahead and click on New Template to get started with a fresh, blank canvas. You can start by importing a file, recording directly into the software, or even generating AI speech, which is perfect for building your content workflow. I love treating these templates as mini projects. So under the Project tab, upload your headshots, logos, and intro music so everything stays in one place. Once you have your files, start your first scene by placing your logo and a copyright notice. It's a simple but necessary foundational step. If you want that logo to appear consistently across every single slide without having to copy and paste, I have a very neat trick for you. Select your logo layer and drag those little timeline handles across the entire duration of your video to ensure it sticks to every scene. This saves a tremendous amount of time, especially if you are working on longer, multi-part course videos. Next, let's talk about colors. Go to Scene Settings and simply paste your specific hex codes into the color box to instantly update the background. You can assign different colors to different scenes, such as blue for your intro, yellow for main content, and orange for your closing. Think of this approach as a visual map that guides your audience through the flow of your course content. For fonts, you can use the built-in library or upload your own, provided you have the right subscription tier for your creative needs. Locking down your heading, subheading, and body text styles early on will make your entire course look unified and intentional. Adding a copyright notice across all slides is just as easy as placing your logo. Just add a text box and extend it across the timeline. Now you have a branded foundation with your logo, custom colors, font, and legal text all locked into one reusable template. Pro tip: save your intro and outro as separate scenes within the template so you never have to rebuild them from scratch again. Now, let's discuss Vizard, because a lot of creators build beautiful slides but then get completely stuck on how to actually distribute them. Descript is phenomenal for editing, but if you want to reach a wider audience, you need a tool that chops your long videos into short, viral clips. Once your master video is finished, import it into Vizard and watch as its auto-editing features identify your most engaging, punchy moments. It does the heavy lifting of finding your hook, your best lines, and those key aha moments that perform incredibly well on TikTok or Reels. You don't need to manually scrub through hours of footage anymore. The AI handles the discovery of viral content for you. Another huge benefit is Vizard's auto schedule, which lets you set a cadence and have clips posted automatically without daily manual effort. This is a total game changer if you're trying to build a consistent presence across multiple social media platforms simultaneously. The content calendar is clean and organized, allowing you to edit captions and thumbnails all from one centralized dashboard. Stop juggling spreadsheets and different scheduling apps. Using one tool to manage your posting is just a much cleaner workflow. People often ask about the difference between Descript, Vizard, and Canva, and the answer is that they all serve different roles. Descript is your powerhouse for transcribing and building your branded master, while Vizard is your engine for automated clip generation and scheduling. Think of them as partners. Build your beautiful branded master in Descript, then hand it off to Vizard to turn it into a content machine. Once you are happy with your template, click Publish Template in Descript so your entire team can access this blueprint for every new lesson. Keep your on-screen copy punchy and flexible, and always remember to leave enough space for captions so viewers can follow along on mute. Don't overclutter your slides. The simplest designs often convert the best because the viewer isn't being distracted by unnecessary noise. Always maintain strong contrast between your text and background to ensure your fonts remain legible even on smaller mobile screens. To wrap up this workflow, record your master, build it in your Descript template, export it, and let Vizard do the heavy lifting of clipping and scheduling. If you want a follow-up video with a step-by-step upload guide for Vizard, just drop a comment below or send me an email. I'm also happy to share my personal checklist for hex codes and logo placement if that would help you get your branding nailed down. That covers the basics of building a custom template and scaling your content. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all very soon.